is a backyard cleanup, and I actually try my hand at gardening.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. We have a jungle going on here. So there used to be a pool here that was taken up. Grass has never grown since this pool was removed. So we have a contractor who's coming out and supposed to be helping us grow grass back here. But in the meantime, we're thinking about putting in a fire pit and just a flower bed in the back. That's hubby's garden over there, which he's weeding. But anyway, so storm came in last night and got a lot of leaves and branches down all over the place that I'm going to try to rake up. And hopefully it won't be raining anymore today, but we'll see. All right, let me get to working. It's actually a string bean. Look at that.
There's some small ones here that aren't ready to come. They've got
Oh,
grown.
I see him. Look at that.
And over here, the sugar snap peas. See the snap peas? One right there and one right here.
Oh, look at that.
And on this smaller plant here, there's two.
I know. So I made these little stones, took these stones and tried to form like a little flower bed. I moved a hosta from the front of the yard here. And this is an area where it was being totally blocked by a huge tree, so nothing, there was no grass or anything growing back here. So we're going to do I think a fire pit, but I want to use this like to make a little flower bed first. What I'm trying to do is kind of like mirror the flower bed that I have going around the house right there. and try to do a little patch right back here before we put in the fire pit and kind of put bricks around the gazebo that's out here. So let me get started. It's hot. So I got most of the weed block down. I have a little patch to do up there around that end. I was trying to do everything in one strip. So here's the little hosta that we transplanted from the front yard. And now I need mulch. Let me get started.
So the yard is clean. I'm really happy about that. I'm so excited that I've actually put the leaves in a pile. I just have to pick them up, but everything's straightened up and I'm excited about it. So my next step is to water this little hosta that I transplanted in the back, and then I'm going to go around and water all the flowers that I have at the house that I've been working on, and they're really looking pretty good. They're really strong and healthy. I try not to overwater them though, because that can be really bad. But I'm going to go around and water the flowers at the house that I have, and then I have to go out and get some more mulch to put in the back. So my next video will be the flower bed with the mulch and the lighting, and I think it's going to be so nice. So I hope you'll come back for that. And thank you guys so much for stopping back and checking out this video as I cleaned up this backyard. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one when I finish up my flower bed.